Rice cake machine SYP4509. Normal type, titanium coated mold for Guatemala. Right, normal thickness. 잘 나오네. Very nice. Okay, this is temperature controller. Display the temperature. This is the set temperature. You can set the temperature here. This is present temperature. The temperature is going to the set temperature. This, you can adjust the temperature with this button, set button here, a movement of left to right and up and down. And 4 switches, heater and pump, and automatic operation. And you can move the mold up and down manually by this switch, up and down. And 3 dial controllers. First one is the speed, 4.7, thickness 50, and temperature 2.5 as the first setting. Okay, and pressure. Pressure around 150. After check or set the pressure, you have the close pressure gauge to use longer. This is emergency button. This is very important. Just put down, the machine stops. Everyone stops. Alright. This is a cylinder, and that below cylinder is the pressure support valve below the cylinder to keep the stable pressure, and 3 solenoid valves to provide the electric signal to the machine. The lights with the movement move as per the mold movement. Triple phase motor and pump, oil tank and fan must on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix, and this is a feeding plate for the normal type. It's a bigger hole to supply more amount of the rice for the thicker thickness normal type. It's a proxy sensor. It's a machine feeding plate, push back, it's turn on, go forward, turn off, and come back to the end, it's turn on. Otherwise, you cannot go to the next step. There's the 2 springs. And to move forward, there's a drag motor and gear head here. And this oil valve, check valve, and relief valve. It's related with pressure control. Insert related wrench. Counterclockwise increase pressure. Unclockwise decrease pressure. Motor. 좀 더 해야 되는데. Okay, and control box here is inverter. It's a 6000 display. You set button here. SSR is keep the stable temperature. Temperature controller here, and breaker and contactor. Relays on PCB. That's the PCB brain of this machine. And micro control volume here. It's change the type, normal and thick, thin and normal. It's oil tank, 20 liters of hydraulic oil inside. All right.